Party. I hope you guys have some good dance moves, because that's actually why I couldn't go. I'm not the best dancer, so Dom does not want me to embarrass him. Yeah, I was watching this show. This guy looks just like Guy Fieri from the Food Network, and that's why I ordered pizza, because I got really, really hungry. You know, when it's like, when you see food that's greasy, that means it tastes really good. So that's why I shut this down. My stomach hurts now, but that's besides the point. Yes, Colin. Do I look good, guys? Anyway. Hey, Mia.
Hey, Pat. I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they actually just got here like 2 minutes ago.
Hey, everybody. I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
Wow.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I wouldn't.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Speaking of family, yo, Tess, you're actually on the break room monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out, and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
See you later, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it, boss. I'll see you later.
Peace.
Okay, well, you guys just heard him. You guys actually gonna head over to the war room. It's Jamie's first day, so please be a little bit easy on Jamie. Her training process with Tess was a little long and rough, but hey, she got through it, so she's gonna do great. Good luck, Jamie.
Thanks, appreciate it, Pat. Would have appreciated a warning more. All right, everyone, come on in. Don't be shy. My name is Jamie, and this is the break room, or this is the war room. Oh, geez. This is where Tej works all of his tech magic. Pat might have told you it's my first day, but don't worry, that doesn't mean I don't know what I'm doing. It just means I only know what about 6 of these buttons do, because Tej says the rest are day 2 orientation, and as long as nothing goes wrong, then that's all the buttons I need. Oh man, if I'm being honest, I wasn't hired for my public speaking skills, so this is a little bit overwhelming for me. We're just waiting for Tej. Oh, thank goodness. Hi, Tej. Hi.
Jamie.
Yeah.
The buses are here.
Great, so they can leave and I don't have to talk to people anymore, right? How do I do this then?
I got this, Jamie.
Thank you.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Oh, man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse.
Worse?
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Oh, sexy.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses. You need to start bugging out right now.
Oh, bugging out
and get
already?
that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I'm on it.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word. But keep it in our family. And keep it quiet.
Okay, the turbo's all set for, who's he? I don't think I met him
It's
yet.
Hobbs.
That's all.
Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. Just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
You said all of them?
Okay, hold on.
Like 50 of you.
Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones.
That means
We don't
you.
want Shaw tracking your locations.
So sorry, I hope I didn't offend you or anything.
Okay, Jamie,
Yeah?
you heard the man. It's about to go to a whole nother level. Send everybody to the loading dock.
Okay, but what if... And we're moving on. Okay, so you guys are just gonna go through those doors and up the little ramp. It's a loading dock. You can't miss it. I'll just be in here, 6 buttons, not panicking, not calling my mother. So,
Secure all loose items once seated. Finally, we don't want to tip off Shaw, so refrain from using all cameras, phones, tablets, and external lights of any kind once we leave the loading docks. Good luck out there, and be cool.
so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? We deal with it together.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party and the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Yeah.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron that shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Okay. It's like that. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
That ugly pseudo, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up.
Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My release is all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
Move! After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come in the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
I got the bull by the horn!
Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Toretto, and we call it a day! I got company! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you? Eat asphalt!
Don't think you're getting away! I'm in the draw!
Way to go, Letty. Don't lining up the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you. Roman, don't shoot. Head for the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Hit the nitrous. Ride and die.
Man, where'd you people learn to ride like that? And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
Attention partygoers, please remain